Some of the most reputable car brands are offering some of the least reliable SUVs this year. Here's 8 SUVs you need to avoid for the following reasons. Number 8. 2024 Volkswagen Taos. Even though it has a tech-forward cabin and a price that's easy on the wallet, it hasn't been very reliable. Transmission and engine problems are what most people don't like about the Taos. Some owners have trouble changing, and the transmission will sometimes fail without warning, even with low mileage. Aside from these issues, the Taos also has problems with its infotainment systems and other electronics, which make it more of a bother than it's worth for many. In fact, Consumer Reports gave the Taos an incredibly low score of 18 out of 100 for dependability. With its small size and high-tech features, it might seem like the perfect car for daily driving, but these worries about stability make it harder to sell. If you want a compact SUV, there are better ones out there that won't leave you waiting for an unexpected fix. Number 7. 2024 Dodge Hornet. It's unsurprising that the Dodge Hornet's reliability has been somewhat variable, given its shared design components with the Alfa Romeo Tonale. Early reviews praised the Hornet for its powerful engine and performance-focused handling. However, as the vehicle has reached customers, early adopters have reported several issues, including engine misfires and problems with technological features, particularly driver assistance functions. According to Consumer Reports, while the Hornet hasn't received the lowest reliability ratings, its sales have significantly declined, making the launch challenging for Dodge. Since the Hornet is a new model, extensive reliability data is not yet available, though initial indications suggest it may not be the most dependable option for those seeking a long-term, reliable compact SUV. Number 6. Ford Escape. As a result of its practical design, reasonable price point, and dependable performance, the Ford Escape has garnered a distinguished reputation in the compact SUV market class. The 2024 model, on the other hand, has not lived up to expectations. Transmission is one of the key difficulties that have been noted by owners of the 2024 Escape. Owners have stated that the transmission is difficult to shift and that it hesitates during acceleration, particularly in models that are equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Despite the fact that there have been some minor modifications made, these gearbox difficulties have not been fixed. They have been a persistent problem for the Escape. The technological capabilities of the Escape, in especially its infotainment system, are another source of concern that is frequently voiced. In a car that is marketed as a technologically advanced SUV, drivers have reported experiencing regular glitches, latency, and occasional system malfunctions. This can be disheartening for the vehicle. Following an examination of the data, it has been determined that the 2024 Escape's reliability and customer satisfaction ratings are not at the expected levels. Despite the fact that the Escape has a number of benefits, the fact that it has persistent problems with its gearbox and electronics may make it less appealing to customers who are looking for a dependable compact SUV. Number 5. 2024 Mercedes Benz Glc. Despite its premium stance, the 2024 Mercedes Benz Glc is a luxury SUV with significant reliability problems. Frequent service visits have annoyed some owners, while others enjoy the GLC's premium feel. Its sophisticated electronics are a popular source of worry. Many owners have reported issues with the infotainment system, which, despite having numerous features, frequently has hiccups and poor response times. Furthermore, despite their dazzling appearance, the GLC's driver assistance functions have occasionally failed, which raises safety concerns. Another major problem is the 9-speed automatic gearbox, which has been known to have harsh shifting and reluctance. These problems seem to still exist in the 2024 model. Although the GLC receives a generally positive rating from Consumer Reports, its reliability rating is noticeably low, just 17 out of 100. These concerns can make people who value dependability exercise care while thinking about the GLC. Number 4. 2024 Ford Bronco. The 2024 Ford Bronco, which has a predicted reliability rating of 51 out of 100. Although this dependability score puts it in line with other SUVs that have problems, such as the Nissan Rogue, Land Rover Discovery Sport, and the recently remodeled Chevrolet Traverse, the Bronco stands out due to its distinctive personality and high owner satisfaction rating. There have been reports of minor water leaks from the roof, sporadic squeaks and rattles, and some faults with the 10-speed gearbox. The Bronco nonetheless appeals to purchasers looking for a tough, competent off-road vehicle that is suitable for daily use in spite of these shortcomings. Owners find it quite appealing, and many are quite pleased with the Bronco's appearance and performance. Despite the reliability figures, the Bronco is still a popular option for people who value off-road prowess and distinctive flair. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Known for its rugged, go-anywhere image, the Grand Cherokee has long been celebrated for off-road capability. However, in 2024, it's still grappling with serious reliability issues. While Jeep is recognized for its off-road heritage, the Grand Cherokee's recent track record leaves much to be desired. Owners of the 2024 Grand Cherokee report numerous issues, particularly with electronic systems and drivetrain reliability. Complaints include battery drain, engines failing to start, and persistent electronic malfunctions that make ownership frustrating. One owner shared that their new $30,000 Cherokee made noises when slowing down and required visits to 3 different dealers who eventually had to replace 2 differentials, raising questions about overall build quality. Even when the Grand Cherokee is running smoothly, maintenance costs can be high. Consumer Reports' review of the 2024 model highlights underwhelming satisfaction and reliability ratings. If you're in the market for a dependable SUV, you may want to think twice before selecting the Grand Cherokee this year. Number 2. Range Rover Evoque. With its sleek look and high-end interior, the Range Rover Evoque is without a question one of the most stylish SUVs on the road. But even in 2024, the Evoque still has reliability problems that have hurt the company for a long time. The infotainment and electronic systems are a big problem. Owners often report problems like freezing, lag, and sometimes systems not working at all, which is upsetting for a luxury car that costs more than $50,000. Another weak spot is the gearbox, which has been reported to shift slowly, make noises, and even fail completely in the worst cases. It has also been said that the turbocharger and cooling systems have had problems, with some starting as early as 30,000 miles. The fact that Consumer Reports still gives the Evoque low reliability scores shows that these problems keep happening. Luxury SUV buyers may be interested in buying a new Land Rover, but the Evoque's long-term maintenance problems should be carefully thought through. Number 1. Volkswagen Atlas. The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas has had ongoing reliability problems since the model's introduction, much like its brother the Taos. The Atlas's engine performance is a major problem. Drivers complain of harsh idling, stalling, and power loss, which can make the vehicle feel unreliable and slow, particularly on highways. Another cause of annoyance is the gearbox, which is frequently criticized for abrupt gear changes and delayed shifts. The Atlas has also earned a reputation for electrical issues, such as infotainment system malfunctions and warning lights that flash for no apparent reason. These issues are reflected in Consumer Reports' ratings, which could deter purchasers thinking about purchasing a car with a base price close to $40,000. This brings an end to the list of the most unreliable SUVs of 2024, as problems with dependability continue to plague many manufacturers and market niches. Reliability is not always correlated with pricing. Which SUVs, in your opinion, ought to have been on this list? Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel for additional videos if this one proved useful.